At Quandel, we've been building integrity since 1882.
And the University of Scranton has been educating leaders since 1888. And while a lot has changed in Scranton since then,
At Quandel, we remain true to our core values of doing what is right.
while the University of Scranton remains dedicated to educational excellence.
We have a lot in common. We have history together, and you know us.
And you trusted us.
You trusted us.
We've built trust. We've worked through challenges with you successfully and got the job done right.
My name is Mike Hogan. I was the Senior Project Manager here at the Naples Center at the University of Scranton. Took over 1,000 tradesmen of different crafts to finish the building. I think the biggest challenge of this job was that it was built on a very small parking lot. Even though it's wide open right now, we only had a very short window to shut down the old and bring up the new so that the kids always had some place to eat. What we were doing along with building the building was building the relationship with the university. The Naples Center finished on time and on budget.
The Naples Center is the hub of activity on campus.
Everyone that visits says it's great, and we're very lucky to have it.
You can do so many things here. We come here for every single meal, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
There's just a lot of different things that go on in Naples.
The look of the Naples Center is really cool.
It's really open and airy.
When people come to campus, Naples is one of the first and last impressions they get, and it's definitely a good one.
My name is Mike Krzyzwicki. I was the project manager for the University of Scranton's Loyola Science Center. I see the building, and I've seen it since it was a hole in the ground through occupancy. And it's one of those things where when you drive by with your family, you get to say, that's what Dad does. The first unique thing about the project was it was an extremely long duration. It took 33 months from the time we broke ground to occupancy. We did all the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing coordination in a 3D model, so we were able to actually see how those services would be constructed and built into the building before we did it. We started when they said, and we finished on the date they needed the building.
I think that this building is the most beautiful building on campus.
The Loyola Science Center is a beautiful building, state of the art. Lots of windows, lots of light.
It's really beautiful from the outside to see.
There's a lot of collaboration going on here between students and faculty.
I come here to study sometimes just because it's so nice inside.
It's definitely a sight to behold for sure, and probably the gem of the University of Scranton's campus now.
My name is John Kwiatkowski. I was the superintendent on Condren Hall for Quandel. Condren Hall was a very tight time frame. Schedule was everything on this project. We started in September, and we had to be done for the following August. Based on the time frame that we had to build it, it's a complete precast building. Most of the exterior panels are prefabbed right at the factory. They brought them out on site and set them. And we were able to open the building on time and on budget.
I love how Condren is such a large building.
It is the best sophomore dorm that the school has to offer.
It's a great feel, it's very up to date.
Study rooms on every floor, and the kitchens and TV rooms.
One of the best years of my time here at the university.
At Quandel, we're transforming Scranton. One amazing building at a time.